11, 12. He's adding 1 now in front of all.
10, 11,
Then,
12,
of course, 20, 21, 22. So now we're doing this one, right? Then you do 30, 31, 32, all the way to 39. Okay, after 39, of course, comes
39.
39 and
F, O, R, G, Y.
then you get 40, right? So you're just counting to 10, adding these numbers, 5 in front of all the numbers and the 6 in front of all the numbers until you get up to 99 and it becomes 100, right? So all of that's important to understand how it works. So basically 100 is 10 times 10, right? And that's how you get to 100. If you're going to get to 1,000, you count it to 110 times. So let's show that. So we have the ones column, that's just a 1. So let's look at this, okay? This is just a 1, right? Then if you do 10 times 1, it equals
10.
Yes, then you have the tens column. Then if you do 10 times 10, it equals 1.
T,
What's that?
S,
H.
100.
100. Equals 100. Then you get the hundreds column. If you count to 100 times 10, 10 times, then you get, say it?
T, H, O, U, S, A, N, D. 1,000.
1,000. You get 1,000. Okay? Then you do 1,000 times 10, you're going to get
T, E, F.
10.
10.
Mhm.
T, H, O,
U.
10,000.
Yes, so it's spelled T-H-O-U. That's next.
S,
Mm-hmm.
A-N-D. 1,000.
Yes, 1,000. Okay, and then it goes 10,000 times 10 is 100,000. 100,000 times 10 is a million. A million times 10 is 10 million. So you're just multiplying, basically you're just counting to 1,000 10 times, you get 10,000. You count to 10,000 10 times, you get 100,000. That's how place value is working. It's all because you're multiplying by this number 10. Okay, so now we're going to talk about extended form so we can look at the value or expanded form of numbers. So if I had a number 581, so we're going to look at place value. Here, which one numbers in the ones column in this case?
1,
Which numbers in the tens column?
8,
And which one's in the hundreds column?
5.
Yes. So you have all these columns. So we can figure out the value of this number. So if I look at this 1, is the value of this 1 1 or 10? What would you say?
10.
This one right here.
1.
Okay, you're right. This is the ones column. And listen to this, 581. Is the value of that 8 8 or 80?
8. 0.
Yes. The value of this is 80. Okay, it's the tens column. So it's going to be 8 tens. Okay? Then it says 581. How much is that 5 worth? That's it?
5.
Okay?
0.
Anything else? Yeah, 0. You're right. 500 because you got 581. This is the hundreds column. So the value of the 5 is 5. Plus 80 plus 1. This is extended form of that number. It shows you the value of it. So add that together. What is 500 plus 80 plus 1 equal?
5. 8. 0. 1.
1. Yes. 581. So that's expanded form of that. So this is what the number is made out of. And this is why you carry and borrow. It's because you have extended form and then you have standard form. So standard form of 581 is 581. Extended form is showing you the value of it. Okay? Now, look right here. What is the value of my 6? Is it worth 6 or something else? Go ahead. Say it.
6. Million.
Yes, it's worth 6 million. So if I was going to write this in extended form, it'd be 6 million 100,000 plus 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 2. That shows you the value of each of these numbers. And this is why you have to carry and borrow. Okay? Because if you're going to go like this, 59 plus 16, you do 9 plus 6, what are you going to get? What do you get?
1
And?
5.
Yes. So now you're going to write 15 in extended form. That's it?
1
And?
0.
0 plus 5. So now we know. Okay? So point to the ones column on this number. There. Okay? So what should go in the ones column there? Which one's in the ones column? The 5 is. Because the 5 is ones. Okay? Now point to the tens column. Okay? So where does the 10 belong?
10.
Right here. Yeah. So you're really actually adding 10 to it, but because they're all, this is actually 10, right there, plus 50 plus 10. So the answer is 7. Yeah. But if you were to do this problem in expanded form, so let's do 59 plus 16 expanded form. We're going to 50 plus 9 and 10 plus 6. Okay? So 9 plus 6 is, we got 15. So we got 5 here, 10 there. 10 plus 50 plus 10, we got 70, right? 70 plus 5 equals 7. 5. Yeah, equals 75. So now we can see this is the value, and this is why we have to carry, because you really can't put that 5 in that 1s because it doesn't fit there. It's actually that's actually a 10. And that's how it's working there. Okay. So, does that help at all? Can you explain in your own words why you have to carry and borrow? Good. Say it. Value.
Number.
Value of a number.
Place.
Mhm.
W. W.
VAL. Value.
O.
Number. Yeah. Okay. So can you give me an example? So explain to me this. I'll do a simple problem so you can show. Because it's mostly just you get this concept. First off, I want to say, is this helping you at all? In all honesty. Okay. It is. Sit.
H. B. L. Helping.
It is helping. Anything else? Okay. A lot. Okay. It's helping a lot. All right. Good. So now I'm going to give you the number 29 plus, let's do 24. Okay.